Hello and welcome to Benson Fiat and Alfa Romeo here in Greer, South Carolina. Well, today I have a special treat here. Take a look here to the left. We have a whole squadron of Fiat 124 Spyders, 2020, brand new. Just got them. They are absolutely gorgeous cars. I'm going to go through each of them real quick and show you what I have, because no other dealer has this type of product mix. We specifically ordered a lot of manual cars, and so we've got those, but we have it with all the goodies. So let's start here at the first one. This is a mare blue metallic. This is a 124 Spider. We have two identical cars here. This one is an automatic with the paddle shifters, but it has all the bells and whistles. There is no other car build out there like it. It's got the Brembo brakes, it's got the Monza exhaust, it's got the Bose system, navigation, it's got the visibility group with the LED headlights and adaptive front headlights. It's got the automatic, it's got Brembo brakes, it's got navigation, sound group, and the Recaro leather seats. Nobody else has this car. It's brand new, we just got it. It's beautiful blue metallic. This will probably be your last chance to get something like this, because they are just ceasing production now, and so we won't be able to get any more for 2020. Let's check out this next one. This is an Abarth 124. It has the red insert leather seats. These are heated seats. It also has the Bose system. It has the Monza exhaust. As you can see from the badge, it always tells you it's got the Monza exhaust on it. And it's got the Velino package. That's the red mirror caps and red lip spoiler. Also, it's got the visibility group. Let's go on to this next one. Here's the sister car to the first one I showed you. This is stock number 20065. It has every possible option except for the heritage stripe. Manual transmission, navigation, Bose system, Monza exhaust, Brembo brakes, everything you could possibly want in those beautiful Recaro seats. Check that out. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We've got a Lusso. This is a silver Lusso with a saddle interior, much sought after. Got the 17-inch wheels. It's got the convenience group, navigation and sound group, and the automatic transmission. It's got the heated seats, of course, and this has the silver trim. You can always tell a Lusso by the silver trim around the windshield, and also around the rear seats. The roll hoop is also silver. But that is a absolutely gorgeous car. And guess what? I've got two of these identical cars. Here's another one. This is one of my favorites. This one is black. It is the Forte black. It's got the saddle interior. It's got the navigation and sound group and convenience group. That's that 9-speaker Bose system. Look how beautiful that interior is. It's just gorgeous. And it's just great in the Forte black metallic exterior paint. It's just a beautiful car. I'm going to step back, get a little bit of a shot of it. It's just a fantastic car. And then I have another silver one. Same exact build as the other one. This one is an automatic. It's got the saddle interior. Most of the cars that we've bought in the Lusso have been saddle interior. So again, absolutely gorgeous car. I'm sure you can see yourself in a vehicle like this. So we've got silver, we've got black, we've got another silver Lusso, we've got an Abarth in a manual and an Abarth in a automatic with all the bells and whistles. And then we have that white one right there, that Abarth. We have a sister car to this one, but this one has the Recaro seats. That's the only difference between the two. One's got the red seat inserts, and this one has the Recaro seats. So you can see, beautiful car. Let me come around, I'll get the window sticker on this one so you can see the pricing. Now, speaking of pricing, we do discount these cars. We also have special financing through FCA. FCA's got 0%, 36.9 at 48, 1.9 at 60, and 3.9 at 72. So you can get that and also get the rebates, which amounts to at least $3,000. So you got that off the car, plus the low financing. You can take both of those at the same time. So anyway, just beautiful cars. Let me go ahead and rev this one up a little bit. It's been sitting here idling for a few minutes, And this has got the Monza exhaust, so you'll be able to tell right away what that Monza exhaust will do for you. Here we go. Okay, that is what a sports car should sound like. So take no substitutes, and if you want a manual transmission car, I've got a few more coming in, but that'll be it. So Benson Fiat and Alpha, check us out online at bensonfiat.com. And here's my card if you want to get a little bit more information. There you go, that's my card. And don't forget, we're a proud sponsor of Fiat Club America, fiatclubamerica.com, where you can sign up for free for a year and get the magazine. It's a great group of people, the largest Fiat club in the world. So we're not the biggest Fiat dealer in the world, but we're the best. Take a look at our cars. We've got the stuff that you would want to have. So give us a call. We do ship. We have shipping companies that can work with us. And we also have a discount for you if you need to fly in and drive home. So have a great week and a good holiday season. And come by and check us out, bensonfiat.com. Have a good day. Ciao.